Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. And ngayong video, gagawa ako ng output video ng ikinabit kong Osram T19 para sa Honda Scoopy. Okay, ito siya guys. Osram Cool White 6000 Kelvin na German lighting expert. Lead driving light T19. Hindi ko na video yung pagkabit. Nakalimutan kong i-video yung pagkabit. So, yung output na lang directly. Actually, madali lang siya. Plug and play lang po siya. Yung socket niya ay swak lang. Sakto lang talaga sa stock ng Honda Scoopy ko. Okay, nabili ko pala siya Shopee ng 349 pesos. I hope nabili ko po siya sa Shopee ng 349 pesos only. Okay, so test po natin. Low beam, high beam. Low beam, high beam. Yung park light bulb nyo pala ay sa Max GTRS, kulay white din, peanut bulb. Okay, start. High beam, low beam pala, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.